My name is Paige Vogel and I am the financial assistant at Vistabeam. You know, the biggest thing for me is from the day that I interviewed, I was told that I am a mother before I am an employee. So Vistabeam has always respected not only my role here within the company, but my role at home. So that has been great for me.
I really like working for Vistabeam. I really enjoy my job, and I really like the people I work with. I think that separates Vistabeam to a lot of companies is the people we work with. And I feel like Vistabeam cares about you as well. You're not just another employee to them.
We have a great team culture, great team unity. People genuinely like each other here. You know, they're friends outside of work. You know, they come in when somebody's having a bad day or someone's struggling with something. Everybody's readily available to jump in and help. You know, we have each other's backs, and that's one of our core values. So I think it's important that we kind of live by that.
You know, we're never in it alone. There's always somebody there to help. You have a voice. Your opinion matters. And I think that's the best part about working for Vistabeam.
You know, we all are working towards a common goal. For me, it's more rewarding to have somebody to be able to share that success with versus just myself as an individual. And that's one of the biggest things that I've enjoyed with working here at Vistabeam is actually sharing, some of the successes that we've had as a team instead of just by myself.
I absolutely, completely love it. And I love how everyone is just absolutely passionate about doing the absolute best job that they can. If it's someone answering the phone, if it's someone working on tech support, if it's someone working out in the field, everyone's passionate about doing the absolute best job they can at the tasks that they've been given and in their area. And I just absolutely love that.
We have had quite a few dogs in and out all the time.
Dogs are awesome. I love dogs. We have a lot of dogs now. We have the new little puppy. It's fun. I think they bring a different energy. They're exciting. It's fun. I'm a huge dog person, so I love having dogs around.
Vistabeam's like a family to me, so it's really nice to be able to work in that kind of environment.